You are 100% responsible for your life. And if you're sitting around waiting for someone to save you, to fix you, or even help you, let me tell you, you are wasting your time because you and only you have the power to take 100% responsibility to move your life forward. The sooner you get this, the faster your life gets into gear. As Jim Rohn says, you must take personal responsibility for your life. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind. You can only change yourself. It's not what happens to you that decides the quality of your life, but what you do with it that decides the quality of your life. Two people may be experiencing the exact same situation, but looking at it with two different angles. One may be forever grateful for what is happening in their life, whatever they already have, and the other may have nothing but complaints. We feel that somewhere, somehow, someone else is responsible for filling our lives with happiness, for exciting career opportunities, or for blissful relationships. But the truth is that if there is one person who's responsible for the kind of life that we live, it is only you. And if you want to be successful, you have to take 100% responsibility in everything that you experience in your life. This is the first success principle by Jack Canfield, co-author of the Chicken Soup for the Soul series, someone whom I deeply look up to. Before I continue, if content like this is something that you relate to, hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant updates from me. I want to share 3 tips to help you take up this 100% responsibility in your life. They are no excuses, no complaints, and no blames. So let's start with the first one. No excuses. You have to give up all excuses. No more victim stories. No more saying why you couldn't do this or why you haven't up until now. You now have to be ready to accept that you always had the power to do something differently, to get it right, to produce the desired results. But for some reason you chose not to. But the past is over, and now you have a choice to take your life forward by taking 100% responsibility. You now choose to take that responsibility. You have to ask yourself, how am I creating or allowing this to happen? What am I doing that is working and I now need to be doing more of it? Should I be exercising more? Should I be more kind towards my partner? Should I be more mindful about my self-talk? Should I be more understanding towards my children? Ask yourself, what am I doing that is not working and I now need to be doing less of it? Am I talking too much? Am I eating or drinking too much? Am I putting others down? Am I gossiping too much? Ask yourself what I need to do, what have I not tried and I now need to see if it is working. Should I be delegating more? Should I hire a coach? Be more appreciative, be more organized? The simple formula is do more of what is working and less of what is not, and accept and try new behaviors at all times to produce the desired results. The second thing is no complaints. Let's take a moment to look deep into complaining. We complain about something when we feel that there is something better. We have an image of that, but we're not ready to take that risk to create that something better in our life. Mostly, the situations that we complain about are changeable, but we just choose not to change them. We complain we can have a better job, we can have deeper relationships, a better house, a better neighborhood, eat healthier. Either accept that you just choose to stay where you are, or take 100% responsibility, stop complaining and take the risk to create the exact life that you want. If you want to get from where you are to where you want to be, of course you have to be willing to take that risk. Another thing about complaining is that you always end up complaining to the wrong person. When you go for work, you complain about your spouse, and when you come home, you complain about the people at work. But why? Because it's a lot less risky. It takes courage to tell your spouse that you're not happy with the things going on at home. It takes courage to tell your boss that you are facing some issues. But only your boss can do something about things at work and not your spouse. Learn to replace complaints with making requests and taking action to produce the desired outcome. The last thing is no blaming. Have you ever blamed someone else for what's happening in your life? Have you blamed the government, the economy, your parents, your children, or your partner? Let me tell you, each time you blame someone else for your happiness, you are not taking up 100% responsibility in your life. As Wayne Dyer said, all blame is a waste of time. No matter how much fault you find in another person or how much you blame someone else, it's not going to change you. If you have to be successful or happy, you have to be willing to take that choice. You will never be successful as long as you continue to blame someone else for your happiness or your success. You have to acknowledge the truth and be willing to take that choice. It's you who ate junk. It's you who didn't care about your relationship. It's you who didn't trust your gut or intuition. You didn't say no. You were the one who procrastinated. You are the one who now have to take 100% responsibility and stop blaming anyone else for what's going on in your life. Today, ask yourself, what is it that you're going to change in your life? What is it that you are going to change to make a difference? And if you're not going to ask yourself this question, if you're not ready to make that decision to change, you know what's going to happen. Your next 5 years will look like the same as the previous 5 years. Your life will remain just the same. Change a little or change a lot. You can do whatever you want. And remember that any day you wish to change your life, you can do it. So the 3 things for taking up 100% responsibility in your life are no blaming, no excuses, and no complaints. Know that these are very, very powerful 3 tools which can completely change your life. If you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comment section what is it that you are willing to change today to make a difference in your life. Where is it that you are going to take up 100% responsibility? Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Namaste.